Hey, what is up guys? In this video, we're going to unbox the 4th generation Chromecast with Google TV 1080p version. Here is the box. As it is opened, we see the Chromecast and the remote box. Then the paperwork. Then the power adapter and a USB-A to USB-C cable. And at the very bottom, 2 AAA batteries. Let's unwrap the Chromecast. You can see that it has an HDMI connector for the TV and, at its bottom, a USB-C port for power. We're done with the Chromecast. Now, for the remote. We're going to put AAA batteries in it. Just slide the cover outwards to reveal the battery compartment. After we put the batteries in, let's return the cover. And there you go. Here is the paperwork. We have 2 pieces of paperwork here, the manual and the safety, warranty, and regulatory guide. Now we're going to lose the cable. It's a long cable. Lastly, the power adapter. What I think about this device is that it is a good buy. You get a clean Android TV system since this is Google hardware. It has Wi-Fi for streaming and Bluetooth connectivity for casting. You can screencast videos from YouTube on your iPhone, or if you're an Android guy, you get more benefits out of the ecosystem. If you buy the cheapest one, the full HD 4th generation Chromecast, you'll get 4.7 GB of shared internal storage and 1.5 GB of system memory. You have 2 choices when setting this up. Either you're going to use a smartphone to set this up, or you can do it on the Chromecast itself. The user interface is responsive, and the performance of the device is acceptable. You can summon Google Assistant by holding the Google Assistant button to help you navigate throughout the OS. It can support high dynamic range if you have an HDR-capable TV screen, but it is only 1080p. Overall, it's an affordable alternative to Apple TV and a good start if you want to innovate your TV experience to the next level. That's been it. I hope this helps you. This has been Techno Voyager. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.